Okay, paunang mensahe. So from Helsinki, we're heading to north. Malayo pa kami. So we've been driving for about 7 hours. 7 hours, huh? From 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First stop over sa parking area and we ate adobo. Okay? Para naman may gasolina ang yang tiyan. Okay? And then in Rovaniemi, we're gonna meet someone. Yan lang. See you there. So we came from here and then now we are halfway. Halfway na ba ng Finland? Yan. This is the whole Finland. Yan. Nagsa gitna na po tayo at pupunta tayo dun sa tuktok. Tuktok ng Finland this time. Okay? At may nag-iintay dun. Mga travelers din. First, gas up! So, papakainin natin ang sasakyan. Or almost in Rovaniemi. Self-service. Siya po yung magpipindot, siya ang magbabayad at siya ang maglalagay ng gas. Diyan. So, this is the life in Finland. Welcome to Rovaniemi and it's raining. Kadungog mo? Mga tulog na daw ta. Ito na po yung aming bisita. Welcome to Rovaniemi. Ito po yung aming setup. Hello Arian, so this is my cousin. Ayan, all the way from Stockholm. So galing po sila sa Stockholm to Norway, to Nordkapp, and then here. Tapos maulit naman.
Norway, Sweden,
Norway, sabi ko nga Stockholm, Sweden, di ba? O di ba mas mataas yung kanilang binyahe? So, speech ka konti, anong feeling? Ilang days na kayo nagto-travel?
Ano na, mga 18 days.
18 days, wow.
Overwhelming.
So, meron silang bahay, kami doon, yung bahay namin.
walang budget.
Anong best experience? Lamok.
Lamok.
Sige
Ulan.
na. Bye-bye. Tulog na sila, tapos uli na po sila ugma.
Okay, bye-bye.
Uyong ka lang among mansion. Picture sa amin. Hello, good morning. It's already almost 3 in the morning. I think it's nice na ipapakita ko sa inyo ang aming 5-star hotel. Ayan, nandun na yung aking pinsan natutulog na sa kanyang 2-star hotel. Mas maganda yung aming hotel. Oh, ayan. Okay, tutulog na si Mr. Ayan ha, privacy yan ha. Kasi magkatabi kami. But ayan po ang aming hotel. Okay, at umuulan sa labas. O, diba? Sosyal. Sosyal at nakalatag ang aming madaming blanket because it's kind of cold here in Rovaniemi. Obserbahan natin kung mababasa ba ng ulan. First time po namin matulog sa tent. Tulog na siya. Good night. Bye. So, let's continue our travel.
Dana na day mushroom.
Merong visit and feed reindeer. 1:40 from Rovaniemi going to Levi. Hello! Oh, we found reindeers. Hello! Oh, there's a babies. Ang cute nila. So, nice to see you guys. Bye. Bye-bye. We have a situation here that we are stuck on the road. Yan, magta 10 minutes na. There's a car there. So we're not moving. Traffic light. But we don't know if it's working or no. May nakapila, oh. Ayan na, they're coming na. So, parang malayo-layo tong fixing of the road. What's going on here?
Traffic.
Oh. Anong meron? Ba't ang tagal? Now, this is it.
Tatapon na sila dito.
Okay. Ayan. It's their time to go. They were waiting. Ang haba-haba ng pila. Okay, good luck for you guys. Don't worry. You're gonna pass soon. Kami muna. Okay? Tiis-tiis lang. Let's go to Alakula. Ekonin. Dervidolwa Alakula. Where na? Raining on the road. Stop time. Helsinki to Levi, we spend about 100 euro for the gasoline. And this 33.72 euro is from Levi towards north. Let's see how much more that we can put gas. That one is the Levi ski resort. Ayan, napakataas po. There are lots of people who are doing ski there. Kind of scary. Ayan, nasa bundok. Welcome to Levi. I'm gonna stop my story here. But we are already in Levi, and then we're going to Tioko. Tioko, one of the very high place in Levi. So it's another story. I can make it in the next episode.